how to divide 2, 3 or 4 digit numbers by a 1 digit number, isn't it? Now let us divide 2, 3 or 4 digit number by 2 digit numbers. Okay. Here one example for you, 795 divided by 32. Okay children. Divide 795 by 32. Let us consider the first number of 795, that is 7. Isn't it? It is less than 32. Okay children. So consider the second digit also. That is, now we get 79, which is greater than 32. So divide 79 with 32. Memorizing the table of big numbers are very difficult, isn't it? So we can write the table as a rough work in your margin. Okay children? Look at the table. We must consider the multiple of 32, that is less than or equal to 79. Okay. Here 32 into 3 is greater than 79. Isn't it? Here 32 into 3 is equal to 96. It is greater than 79. So we can take 32 into 2. That is 64. So the quotient will be 2. So we can write 2 in quotient place and 64 below 79. Here 64. Now subtract 64 from 79. Okay. We will get here 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4. 5. 7 minus 6. 1. We will get here 15, which is less than 32. Isn't it children? So bring the digit in one's place down. This is 5. Okay. Now the number becomes 155, which is greater than 32. Now divide 155 with 32. Okay. Again we look at the table here. 32 into 6 is less than. Now look at the table here. 32 in 5 into 5 is equal to 160, isn't it? Which is greater than 155. So let us take 32 into 4. That is equal to 128, which is less than 155. So write the quotient 4 here. And subtract 128 from 155. Here 5 minus 8. 5 is less than 8, so we borrow from tens place. Here 4 and 15. 15 minus 8 equal to 7. Then 4 minus 2 equal to 2. Then 1 minus 1, 0. Okay children. So here we get the remainder that we get after subtracting 128 from 155 is 27. Is it clear children? So here 795 divided by 32 equal to your quotient equal to 24 and remainder equal to 27. Is it clear children? Let us check one more question here. 8664 divided by 12. Here I divide 8664 with 12. Let us consider the first number of 8664. That is 8. This is less than 12, isn't it? So consider the second digit also. Here 86. Now we get 86 which is greater than 12. So divide 86 with 12. Look at the table. We must consider the multiple of 12 that is less than or equal to 86. Okay, here 12 into 7 equal to 84. Isn't it? This is less than 86. Okay. So the quotient will be 7. So we can write 7 in quotient place and 84 below 86. Now subtract 84 from 86. 6 minus 4, 2. 8 minus 8, 0. Isn't it, children? Here we will get 2 which is less than 12. So bring the digit tens place down. Now the number become 26. Isn't it? Which is greater than 12. So divide 26 with 12. Here in the table 12 into 3 is equal to 36. This is greater than 26, isn't it? So let us take 12 2. 12 2 is equal to 24. So we write 2 in quotients place and 24 below 26. Okay, children. Now subtract 24 from 26. Here 6 minus 4 equal to here 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. Then 2 minus 2 equal to 0. So we get here 2. Now bring the digits in ones place down. Now the number become 24. So here look your table here 12 into 2 equal to 24, isn't it? So we write 2 in quotients place and 24 below 24. So subtract here, we get 0 as remainder. Is it clear, children? So here quotient is equal to 722, remainder is equal to 0. Let us wind up today's class.